thing is to check your account receivables and invoices. It's a good idea to check your receivables on a frequent basis to make sure you're getting paid. In December, run an aging receivable report in QuickBooks. Examine the list of outstanding invoices and make a note of whether or not the invoices have been marked paid. Pay special attention to the column that lists the earlier invoices. This is where you will locate any faults or problems. Look into any things that appear to be questionable, as well as any missing bills. Reviewing this data will give you a clear idea of where you stand and will reveal whether any customers are overdue on their payments. Do not be hesitant to call them and explain the situation, as you will need to designate their invoices as paid in order to close the books. So you really want to get in contact with all customers that owe you money for service you perform during the year. So you want to do follow-up calls, make sure you contact them so that they can render payment for any outstanding invoices you have in your AR report.